Hello students, so today we're going to look at chapter 11, rational expressions. First day of this is simplifying rational expressions, aka factoring comes back and with vengeance. Some needs today, you're going to want to have your notes, a pen or a pencil, and then of course a calculator. So, rational expression, what is that? It's a fraction. That's all it is. And it contains numbers, variables, terms, polynomials, everything. It has a whole bunch of stuff. They're gonna look kind of scary, but don't worry, they're not too bad. To simplify them, you need to know how to do these. You need to know how to simplify a fraction, aka 3 over 6 is 1 over 2. You've been doing that since middle school, roughly, maybe even elementary school. How to correctly cancel things, and we'll talk about that today. And then how to factor. Like I said, factoring, that's why we learned how to do it earlier in the year. It comes again back. We need to know how to factor. How to simplify correctly. Now, incorrect. Kind of like that good idea, bad idea. Bad idea. 10 is 7 plus 3. And 12 is 9 plus 3, right? Well, can I cancel those 3's? Just get 7 over 9? No, that doesn't make sense, right? Can't do that. 7 over 9 is not equal to 10 over 12. Well, the normal way we've done that is 5 times 2 and 6 times 2, and then you can cancel out your 2's. 5 over 6, right? You're going to want to cancel terms. Not cancel terms, but cancel factors, aka multiplication that's available. Here's something to remember. Every time you do that, cross off the f squareds, a kitten dies. It's true. I've seen it. Therefore, remember to always cancel factors. Never cancel like that, okay? Don't kill a kitten, save a life, alright? Let's simplify. So I have 40x plus 20 over 10x plus 30. First things first. Factor, factor, factor. I notice I have a 20 at the top I can take out, right? So I would have left over 2x plus 1. That looks about right. A GCF of 10 on the bottom, it looks like. X plus 3. Now, notice, 20 over 10, I can simplify that down. That can cancel down to 2x plus 1. Over x plus 3, right? Because that's going to become a 1. Now, these x's right here cannot cancel. That would be killing a kitty. Don't kill kittens. You can only cancel factors, not terms. Okay? Let's try it again. Let's simplify this fraction. I have 2x squared plus 8x over 12x. So I'm going to factor out a 2x on the top, it looks like, because they both have 2's in common, both have an x in common. So I'm going to be x plus 4 on the top, it looks like. How do I factor out a 12x? Well, I could take 2x times 6, right? That would give me 12x. That's pretty good. That's an idea. Notice how now I have 2 x's on top and bottom. So they can go out. I'll be left with x plus 4 on top and just a 6 on the bottom. Sometimes it's being very creative with what you're given. What about this one? 2x squared plus 10x over 3x squared plus 16x plus 5. Top of it, notice how the 2 and the 10 share a 2. They both have an x. So let's factor out a 2x. So I'm going to have 2x, x plus 5, right? The bottom, we're going to need to do some AC method, it looks like. 3 times 5 is going to give me a 15. So remember the question we asked ourselves. What two numbers make 15 when you multiply, but then add together to give me this 16 in the middle? 3 and 5 makes 15, but that adds to 8. What about 15 and 1? That gives me 16, right, when you add? So I can rewrite the inside. 3x squared plus 15x plus x plus 5. All right, let's box. These go on the inside because I'm trying to find the outside. There we go. 3x, an x, 5, and a 1. So I would have on the bottom here 3x plus 1, x plus 5. Do you see anything on the top and on the bottom that we both cancel out? X plus 5, right? So I can take the x plus 5s and cancel them out. I'll be left with 2x over 3x plus 1. Now, don't get cancel happy and kill kitties. Don't cancel the x's. Bad idea. Bad, 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 bad. Leave this as 2x over 3x plus 1, okay? Don't kill kittens. Leave it as 2x over 3x plus 1. Last problem of the night. So I have x squared minus 49 over 2x squared minus 4x minus 70. Top part, that is a difference of perfect squares. Remember, that's when you had two parentheses. One was a plus, one was a minus. I have x's in the front. Square root of 49, that's a 7 and a 7. So that one's pretty simple. We need to factor the bottom here. Notice how they all have a 2. Let's take that 2 out. It's going to make our factoring a lot easier. There we go. So then I have an AC of a negative 35. What makes negative 35? 2 doesn't go in. 3 doesn't go in. 5 does, though. 5 times 7 is going to give me 35. And I need a negative 2. So which one has to be negative? If I make 5 negative, I'll get a positive 2. So I need to make that 7 negative. So rewrite the inside. Like that. Let's box the inside here. There we go. Fill in our outsides. Greatest common factor here is an x. Pull out an x this way as well. Negative 7 and a positive 5. So on the bottom, I'm going to have x minus 7, x plus 5. Do you see something on the top and the bottom that we can get rid of? Yeah, the x minus 7s, right? Get rid of those. So I'll be left with x plus 7 over x plus 5. Make sure you don't kill a kitten. Don't cancel those x's because the x is attached to the 7 with an addition sign. If that was multiplication on the top and the bottom, we'd be having a different conversation right now. But when there's addition, no canceling. All right? And that's the end of this video. See you later, Sabers.